Morning student, once again welcome back to the third part of my video. In the previous video I was talking about knitting. Now we will be discussing about characteristics of cotton. What are the characteristics of cotton? Cotton is most popular and widely used to make fabric. Cotton is most popular and widely used to make fabric because cotton is what? Cotton is environment friendly as it is biodegradable. Why cotton is used? Because it is environment friendly. It does not cause any harm to the environment and as it is biodegradable. Second, a durable material means it can last a little bit. Third one, porous in nature and so allows air to pass. Porous means there is lot of space in between them. So when we wear cotton clothes during the summertime, we feel more comfortable than wearing a woolen clothes. Cotton clothes are preferred as cotton fibers is less expensive than other natural material. Now natural fabrics. Cotton fibers, what it is less expensive than any other fabrics and quite soft. Cotton clothes make one feel comfortable. Cotton clothes, if you wear cotton clothes, it might be a pant or shirt, it makes you feel comfortable as they allows the body heat to escape, because it allows the body heat to escape easily. It is easy to remove the dirt from cotton clothes as it soaks up water easily. Why it is easy to remove the dirt from the cotton clothes? Because it soaks up water easily, means it takes the water easily. Other uses of cotton, I told you characteristic. Now other uses of cotton. There are many other uses of cotton. First, smaller cotton fibers called linter or cotton wools are removed from seeds and used as stuffing for mattresses, pillows and components of insulation. Now the other use are what? The cotton that we are removed, cotton wool are removed from cotton seed. It is used as a mattresses. Mattresses means that on which we are sleeping. Pillow, you know what is pillow, and components of insulation. Second one, cotton seed oil is used in food and cosmetic. Now this cotton seed oil, it is used in food and cosmetics. Cotton seed hulls and feed to cattle. Cotton seeds are very important for the cattle. Third one, cotton is used to make fishing net, coffee filter, tents and some kinds of paper. So these are the other uses of cotton. Next, gun cotton is an expensive made from cotton. Not expensive, explosive. Gun cotton is an explosive made from cotton. Next one, due to its porous quality, cotton fabric is used in household mops. Household mops means the clothes that we are using for wiping our house in the morning or in the afternoon or in the evening. This is called the mop, and as an absorbent and gauze in hospital, as it absorbs, so that is why it is used as gauze in hospitals. Next, jute. First I told you about cotton, it is the first. Second is jute. It is the second most popular fiber after cotton. It is cheaper than other natural fibers. It is cheaper than the other natural fibers. Its fibers are long and shiny and can be spun into coarse and strong threads. Its fiber means its thread, its body thread. How it is? It is long and shiny and can be easily spun in coarse of strong thread. Fibers are present in the outer part of the stem. Where it is present, this fiber, it is present in the outer part of the stem. Jute grows best in warm and humid climate with plenty of rainfall. Jute also grows in a climatic condition which has warm and humid climate, but what? It requires more and more rainfall. Jute plants grow best in loamy soil. In India, jute is grown where? In West Bengal, Bihar and Assam. These are the three places where jutes are grown more. The plant grows to a height of 3 to 4 meter and bears yellow flowers. What is the height? It is 3 to 4 meter in height, and flower, it gives yellow flower. It takes 5 to 6 months for the plants to get ready for harvesting. It takes 5 to 6 months for the plant to be harvested. Rating. Once the jute crop is ready for harvesting, it is cut very close to the ground. It is cut very close to the ground. After that, the plants are left in the field for a few days so that the leaves of the plant falls. The leaves of the plant fall off. The stem of the cut plant are tied in bundles. After the leaves has fallen, the stems are tied into bundle and they are immense. They are soaked in water for 3 to 4 weeks. They are thrown in the water for 3 to 4 weeks. And this process of soaking of stem in water and the process of soaking the stem in water for 3 to 4 weeks is called retting. On soaking, why we are soaking? Because the thread, the stem that is present, it becomes soft and can be easily separated from the stem. The separated jute fiber are removed by hand, dried and woven into fiber. After that, the separated jute fibers are taken out by the help of our hand. They are dried and then they are woven into fibers. Jute fiber is used to make best quality of industrial yarn, fabric, nets and snack, rugs, jute bags, carpet, hanging ropes, curtains and shows pieces are also made using jute, and show pieces are also made by using jute.